Welcome to Fabby John's, the joy of decorating. House tours. These house tours have the same impressions as turning pages of an exquisite interiors magazine. These homes are interiors we'd love to get lost in, perfectly refined, yet brimming with personality at every turn. These stunning yet charming homes are filled with custom finishes, modern fixtures, and design elements inspired by the surrounding area. When looking for interior design ideas, steer clear of fads and common design combinations while seeking inspiration, as these might stifle creativity and the desire to investigate intriguing, out-of-the-ordinary objects. Your home can have a distinctive classic, minimalist, and natural look and feel by combining pieces from different eras, styles, and geographical areas that work well together. To create a calm and quiet atmosphere, these homes removed a lot of the ornamental pieces. These homes made sure that they didn't take away with the interiors from the breathtaking views. These homes made use of neutrals, textures, and natural elements in order to achieve these objectives. Void was the use of bright colors to ensure that nothing seemed overly heavy and that everything felt bright and airy. They carefully considered the use of antiques and old items throughout. This provides a vitality that is incredibly hard to replicate when everything is brand new. When you have your home built, you have complete control over the layout and style of your own home. This implies that you can modify the house to fit your unique requirements and preferences. Additionally, you have the option to add custom touches that you would not have if you were purchasing an already built house. How to make your home look and feel like a model home. Start with a neutral color palette. Reduce the amount of clutter. Why do homes feel so breezy, bright, and light all the time? They clear out all the clutter. This is your main objective when you want to create a home that's like a model home. Give a purpose to every space. Increase lighting and let the outside in. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.